I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on how you can use news broadcasts to take your language classes to the next level. This is not your average boring lesson plan. We're talking about real world, engaging content that will get your students excited about learning. First things first, you gotta find news segment that's relevant to your students' interests and language level. It could be anything from a sports highlight reel to a political debate. The key is to choose something that will spark their curiosity and get them talking. Once you've got your segment, it's time to break it down. Have your students watch the video once through, just to get the gist of what's going on. Then, dive deeper. Pause the video at key moments and ask your students to describe what they see, using the target language. Get them to analyze the body language, facial expressions, and the tone of the voice of the speakers. By doing this, they not only improve their comprehension skills, but also gain a deeper understanding of the cultural nuances behind the language. But don't stop there. It's time to take it to the next level. Have your students role play as news anchors and reporters, using the vocabulary and grammar structures from the segment to create their own news broadcasts. They can work in pairs or small groups to write scripts, conduct interviews, and even film their own segments. This activity not only reinforces the language skills they've learned, but also encourages creativity and collaboration. And the best part, you can showcase their work to the entire class, giving them a platform to share their ideas and build their confidence. Trust me, when your students see their own work up on the big screen, they'll be beaming with pride and motivated to keep pushing themselves to new heights. So there you have it, folks, a concrete strategy for using news broadcasts to create a dynamic, engaging language learning experience. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out in your own classroom and see the results for yourself. Your students will thank you for it, and you'll be well on your way to becoming the rock star teacher you were always meant to be. Let's go! Happy comprehensible input.